Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Crypto Takeover here, coming back with another Bitcoin cryptocurrency video for you today. We are taking a look at a few news articles, seeing what's going on. We have obviously our Gamestonk article being first brought to us here. Crypto Gawks at Gamestop see shades of self. Yeah, so basically, you know, obviously there's a lot of news going on with the GameStop and GameStop stock and that being pumped by Wallstreetbets, of course. And then we also have Dogecoin being pumped too as well today, up 77%, actually almost up 200% on the daily. It is actually pretty insane. So we're going to take a look at Dogecoin. I've been working with a lot of my VIP private trading group members today too as well, and we're getting some things set up in the Discord so that way we can make sure that we stay up to date, and that if I'm away from my computer and I can't update them, we have those trend alerts set up inside of Discord now for our paid for members. So yeah, don't forget, we have all those available to you, and we'll get to talking about that here in a little bit. Let's go ahead and jump on into the video and cue that intro. All right, folks, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We're bringing you videos each and every single day. Things are getting really worked up in the markets right now. Things are getting really wild. We're going to be taking a look at some of these altcoins such as Dogecoin, GameStop, obviously, a lot of trading halting going on within the GameStop area too as well. But lo and behold, we're still out here doing our thing, making sure we're staying up to date. There's no halting when it comes to crypto, that's for sure. Digital market traders found amusement in the GameStop saga. They also saw an opportunity for self-reflection. Here's what Neil Ferguson, Catalina Long, Maddie Greenspan, and Jonathan Moe said. Bitcoin price was higher though, staying in a range over the past week of between roughly 30,000 and 34,000. Signs of market exhaustion from the bulls are becoming more prevalent, said Leonard Neo, head of research at cryptocurrency-focused Stack Funds, and what appears to be a crypto surge from the GameStop episode that has reinvented the global financial markets, CoinDesk reported Tuesday. So yeah, Dogecoin more than doubled after a Twitter account, Wall Street. Yeah, so Wallstreetbets is also, went in on Dogecoin, posted the following. A lot of you were talking about Dogecoin. What's that, a meme coin? And yeah, that's basically just them being really low-key and cryptic about, hey, we're pumping this thing, get ready. And we actually have another look at it, one of our other altcoins, actually one of our physical metals coins that is going to probably be pumping here as well too in the near term future. We already have our trend line alerts set up for that inside of our Patreon members, so shout out for them. Inside of our Discord server, we are setting up different alerts to be taking place from TradingView over there too as well. So I'm keeping them up to date as much as I can. Even if I'm away from my computer, I'm making sure that we try to get some automation going so that way they can stay up to date. They can take the trades that are necessary to stay relevant inside of this space and to make sure that they're making those freaking gains, baby. All right, Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that, unlike most of the biggest blockchain projects, doesn't really have any serious technological or programming backing it, but often symbolizes the face of a cute dog, which has won praise over the fans ranging from Tesla CEO Elon Musk and adult film star Angela White. It is now the market value of 1.7 in traditional markets. European shares fell, U.S. stocks wobble, gold weaken. Man, it's so crazy, this is just a big blow in the face to the powers that be, and this is them. I was literally just watching a video of one of a market hedge fund manager just crying on CNBC News or CNN News, just because I guess they lost literally billions of dollars on this GameStop pump that happened, and just literally drove these hedge fund managers through the ground, And so from the cryptocurrency trader analyst, one of the things that is surreal about the GameStop saga is that it also seems so familiar, whether legally or legit. So many of the hallmarks are upstarted trade, Brent, and social media den as a way of challenging mighty Wall Street privileged positions in finance, bear more than a passing resemblance to the kind of activity that takes place daily in digital markets. Not that anyone in crypto really bragging, just saying the episode might serve as another example of how different markets might look and behave in technology-enabled decentralized future. where it is balanced in power, isn't so concentrated among always winners. Yeah, and so that's the thing. They literally halted GameStop from trading, I believe midday. I logged into my Robinhood app, and the alert came up saying, yeah, we've had to actually sell positions, automatically sell people's positions in GameStop because of volatility. And that is just an excuse, folks. That is literally the biggest excuse I've ever heard. And so with that, people are going to be driving back into crypto. It's just given another reason that decentralized currencies are going to be the new thing, because you can't have people just out there getting their position sold automatically by institutions, and it's just absolutely insane. It is absolutely ridiculous what is going on right now. This was a big blow to the powers that be, and we're steadily starting to see how this is going to be broken down. We've been waiting for this. Cliff High's Webbot reports have been talking about this. And it's just all starting to line up, folks. So, we're here taking it day by day, but we're also seeing the big picture of it all. And this is just the start of it, folks. 2021, get ready for the collapse, because the bricks are crumbling around this. You know what I'm saying? It really is. It's happening like that. The GameStop category isn't the only crowd taking on big finance, just like the retail trading raiders in the Reddit forum Wallstreetbets, who took a short selling hedge funds with billions of dollars of capital. The cryptocurrency industry was born as a way to fight back against concentration of powers and wealth. Bitcoin blockchain was invented as a peer-to-peer electronic payment system designed to be free and the influence or control the rent-seeking tendencies of banks in a plague year. A lot of people have started an experiment with investing in things that hadn't really touched before, Ferguson said in the Zoom interview. The barbarians at the gates 30 years ago and the establishment now, and the new barbarians are at the gates. I mean, this is just crazy, yo. Like, I just can't even believe this. This is just wild. Like, this CoinDesk article is just literally just saying everything that I just have spoken about. And the barbarians are at the doors. They're knocking on it. They're knocking on the freaking banking system's doors. They're ready to break it down. They're ready to barge in there, burn it to the ground. And it's just unbelievable, folks. It's really just unbelievable. I think that we're really going to see a collapse within 2021, whether that's within the dollar. We're already starting to see this in media too as well. Hedge fund managers breaking down literally on live video because they literally lost billions of dollars trying to short these markets. And then you have Elon Musk tweeting about the GameStop as well, talking about Wallstreetbets was going to pump it, and lo and behold, it's still pumping. And we took a look at GameStop yesterday too as well, and honestly, it doesn't look like it's going to slow down. They're going to halt trading on it, I'm sure, to try and slow it down. But I think once it continues to open back up, they're just going to keep pumping it. They're trying to let everyone be able to get out of the markets right now within that GameStop stock. But I think that once they also know that there are decentralized ways to buy this stock, as soon as they open those markets back up, it's going to go right back up to the sky. So, man, it's just no joke. Like, I think FT something, there's a decentralized exchange where you can buy stocks with cryptocurrency, I believe. And I do know that I think I've heard some other people reference it too as well. But let's see, bookkeeping by blockchain might be more effective than Wall Street's ledger system, according to S3 Partners. Some 139% of GameStop's availability shares were borrowed to sell short, meaning the traders sold and borrowed shares in a bet that the stock price would go down. The idea is that they'll buy the shares back to repay the stock loans after the price falls. Long, whose Aventi won a special purpose banking charter in October from the state of Wyoming, says GameStop's ratio shows some big investors might have sold shares that they hadn't already borrowed, a practice known as naked short selling that is generally prohibited but loosely enforced. It happens because Wall Street impossibility of instantaneously coordinating multiple ledgers of whom owns. And this is just, they're just cooking the books, yo. That's literally all that's happening. There's no ledger system to back it up. They're just cooking the books steadily, slowly behind the scenes, thinking that they can sell short, and they don't even have the freaking stocks to sell short. You know what I'm saying? So It is just absolutely incredible. Bitcoin really does fix this because Bitcoin is an honest ledger. Just absolutely incredible. People just being caught in the freaking waters here, and slowly you can just see the collapse of it happening right now. I believe this was a just major event to take place for those stock markets, for Gamestop as well too, halting the trading. And I do believe they even halted trading on Dogecoin. But we're going to take a look at Dogecoin, see what's happening here. Obviously, the Reddit fueled stocks have reached some of the weird parts of the cryptocurrency world. Dogecoin, a digital coin, started a joke, soared 77% AM Hong Kong time, according to the cryptocurrency tracker CoinGecko. Over the past 24 hours, it's up 42%. I believe it passed 2 cents. We're going to take a look at the charts here in a second, folks. I don't know if you can just tell, but I'm super excited about this. This is just absolutely incredible. And so we're keeping our Patreon members up to date inside of our Discord server. If you want to pay with debit or credit card, you can use the Patreon link. We're just using that as a payment system, but everything is on Discord. We moved all of our posts over to Discord. That's where all of our bots are set up to as well, so that way you get the alerts whenever the trend line breaks happen, whenever we pass the all-time highs. Those alerts are going to be sent straight to you if you're part of our private category on our Discord server. If you want to pay with crypto, make sure you message me on Discord. We'll get you all set up. Users of the Reddit thread Wallstreetbets touted gains with posts like up 25% in the last hour. First dog to the moon and need $1 Doge. Oh my gosh, need $1 Doge. Another one said Doge, the crypto GME, referring to GameStop Corp. The stock has surged 400% this week as retailers traders squeeze short sellers. Absolutely incredible, folks. I mean, they're literally just saying, hey, we're pumping this thing to $1. Oh my gosh, this is wild. We put out videos about Doge in the past, folks. We've seen the charts telling us that Doge was going to get ready to pump. We tried to give y'all a warning ahead of time. I let my Patreon members, hey, this is one that you want a dollar cost average into. The charts were looking good for it. And, if this thing goes to $1, folks, wow, that's going to be a big blow in the face, folks, especially if we get $1 Dogecoin by the end of this year. That's going to be a huge blow in the face. I think the financial markets are getting ready to just experience something they've never experienced before, and it's going to be absolutely incredible. So I hope that you're around for this. We're also dollar cost averaging on some of our other altcoins too as well, and usually I'll let my Patreon members know about those altcoins when the time is right, but I'm actually keeping them up to date. Anything that I post inside of our paid for membership group is also an altcoin that I'm dollar cost averaging into on a regular basis as well. And so that disclaimer is also fed once you join our private membership group too as well. Extreme volatility, entirely normal in the crypto space, where hundreds of coins compete for attention with gimmicking names, far-fetched blockchain ideas, and campaigns on social media. Last year, TikTok encouraged users to invest in Dogecoin with the idea of serious money to be made at the price hits $1, promoting a price surge of more than 40% in 24 hours. Doge market cap. Yeah, so I mean, hey man, this is literally the people fighting back. This is the people fighting back smart. This is smart fighting back right here, folks. You can go out there and riot, do all that crap and say what you want to say, but literally, if you're getting in on these financial markets, this is a big blowback in their face right now, and this is the way we're gonna fight back. This is the retake of the people's power, and it's been a long time coming for it, and we're here to present the data and make sure that we can actually get a hedge on this too as well. So folks, keep your eyes open, and we're going to continue to be here each and every single day trying to put out videos. I did send out a notification saying I wasn't going to put a video out today, but how can I not? I mean, how can I not put a video out today with everything going on in the markets? I had to put a video out, so I'm going to make sure that everyone stays up to date. Let's get over into the charts, folks. Enough crying for one day. All right, yeah, we're getting over here into the charts, folks, into Bitcoin right now. We're starting to see Bitcoin start to trail up above these trend lines here. We have a few more trend lines we're going to try and break bullish out of on our 2-hour charts. So if we are to break bullish here, we're definitely going to see a nice price rally up to the top side. So I've also been keeping a close eye on our volume charts too as well. It does look like we are seeing a little bit of resistance as of right now before we break above this trend line. What we really want to see is a big trend line break above up here, which is right at about 36K. If we break above $36,000, folks, then that's going to definitely be a nice area for us to continue up higher. It's been a long time of resistance for us for the last good couple of weeks. Here in this chart pattern as well. So what we want to see is probably a break above that trend line, and then more than likely we'll continue higher. Let's take a look at dominance chart, see what's going on here. Dominance chart still in a downward trajectory as of right now, but possibly wanting to see some type of recovery here. On the 2 hour, you can already tell that market cipher B is giving us a clear upward trajectory as of right now. With our money flow signal, we can see that we're starting to get somewhat of a nice possibly a recovery here on the 2 hour chart as well. Taking a look at the 4 hour, no sign of it recovering just yet, but it does look like we are wanting to maybe start to move back up. We'll have to wait and see. I definitely want to see our money flow start to recover on some of these lower time frames first, and then we have some resistance above head here on our candlestick patterns as well. I'm just super excited, folks. What a day, what a day. So yeah, we're gonna definitely be keeping a close eye on the dominance chart, see what's going on there. Let's jump over into Ethereum, folks. Let's jump over into Ethereum, or take a look at also the DXY. Let's take a look at DXY first, and then we'll jump over into ETH. The DXY chart obviously still kind of finding some resistance above head as of right now, but we're gonna have to wait to see how this really wants to play out. Is this the right DXY chart? Or maybe it's this one. This is the one we're looking at. All right, cool. So yeah, it does look like we are still seeing a little bit of overhead resistance on our daily chart. We can't quite break above this trend line here that we have drawn out, or the our trend line indicator has drawn out for us. If we start to see some rejection there, we definitely may be headed back to the downside. But yeah, we are getting a green dot here on market cipher B, so that could also leave us to another little bit of an upward trajectory as of right now. I would say if we get above 91 cents or so, then we're probably looking for a little bit more of a rally, right? Looking for that 100 EMA here on the daily chart, and that is sitting right at about 92 cents or so. All right, let's jump over into Ethereum, see what's going on with ETH, and then we're going to take a look at Dogecoin, just because it's definitely one to definitely be talking about right now. Obviously, if they're going to try and pump that thing to $1, so we're definitely going to take a look at that too as well. So folks, Ethereum here on the daily time frame, we're still trying to get above some of our previous all-time highs as well too. And then we still have some other, price targets above head. We are holding nice support here on the 100 EMA. We haven't broken below it, but we are kind of in this upwards facing channel. So now we want to see probably another move back up to that all-time high right underneath $1,500 or so. Here in the near term future. So let's see if Ethereum can pull that off. It does look like we are starting to recover here on our 12-hour chart too as well. Market cipher B giving us a nice green dot here, ready to start moving back to the upside, possibly for Ethereum. And the Ethereum dominance chart was also looking relatively bullish too as well. So we'll just kind of have to wait to see how that wants to play out, and go ahead and level off those trend lines for us there too as well. All right, folks, and we were going to take a look at Dogecoin. Let's see what's going on with Doge. Our boy Doge. Let's see what's happening here, man. And just look at this. It's just absolutely incredible stuff, folks. We're just seeing a major price pump here with Doge. We did have this trend line resistance above head, and we broke through that. We did break below it at first, and then it looked like to be more of a bear trap. And then with that bear trap, we can just made a outstanding rally. Doge moving almost all the way up to 3 cents or so. But this is just let's take a look at the daily. The daily is what I was like, wow, this still has a lot of room to run, folks. This still has a lot of room to run. So I gave this post to our Patreon members in our private trading group earlier today. After the pump, we weren't quite ready for this to happen. I did have the trend line alert set up, but the trend line I only signaled it to me, and I couldn't give it to the Discord members. So I made sure that now everything is pushed to Discord too as well. through our webhooks alert system, and making sure that they can get those calls and those trend line breaks whenever they do occur. So now we're looking for possibly still rising up here. I mean, we're sitting at a bullish one with the TI sequential. That honestly just means the start of this is happening. So we're gonna have to be ready for possibly Robinhood to maybe even halt trading on this too as well. But if you're on a decentralized exchange buying Doge, then you shouldn't have anything to worry about. But folks, this is just absolutely amazing that Doge is doing this right now. So you can see that Wallstreetbets is probably getting in on this one too as well. But we have this green dot down here. And this looks relatively still bullish, folks. This looks like it's still ready to rise up to the top. Let's take a look at the 2-day chart, see what's happening here. I mean, just straight up trajectory with this freaking momentum wave is just absolutely incredible. They are ready to continue pumping this thing, folks. So get ready for Doge to probably blast off. We're looking for high price targets of 5 cents or so. That's definitely what Doge is looking like. We completely blasted through our previous Fibonacci extension levels, but now we're just looking for possibly that 5 cent Dogecoin and continuing higher from here on out. And I wouldn't be surprised if this thing ends up going to $1 later on in the future, but we'll have to keep an eye on it and see what's going to happen there. So we have our alerts set up for the Discord members too as well. But yeah, folks, I did want to bring y'all a video today. There's just been so much going on, and I just told myself, like, I can't not put out a video today with everything that's been going on with GameStop. It's literally the end of the market rigging before our eyes happening. And so yeah, it's just absolutely incredible. I'm getting chills just thinking about it, thinking about how bullish 2021 is actually going to be for us. And if you're in on the right coins and right markets, then you are going to be very profitable with us. So if you want to trade with us, if you want to see what coins we're getting in and out of, you can join us over on our private trading group page. You can join through Patreon if you want to pay with debit or credit card, or if you want to pay with crypto, make sure to give me a message in Discord and I'll get you set up. So with that being said, folks, we're looking at Bitcoin to possibly break through its next resistance trend lines, and we're also going to be keeping a close eye on some of our alts. We got the alerts set up inside of Discord now for us too as well. So if you want to also get those alerts, you can join us inside of our Patreon page, inside of our private trading group page too as well. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way y'all can be updated. Thanks for tuning in with me. I'm super excited right now. This is just the start of it, folks. So get ready, buckle up. It's going to be a crazy ride. 2021, the bull market shift is here. I hope to see y'all soon. Peace out. Until next time, CTO signing out. Peace.